Welcome back. I am the Electrical Code Coach from electricalexamcoach.com, and this is the Electrical Exam Prep question of the day. Let's get to it. A fixed storage type water heater with a 40-gallon capacity is rated at 24 amps. What is the minimum required ampere rating for the branch circuit overcurrent device and conductors supplying this heater? The options are 24 amps. B, 25 amps, C, 30 amps, and D, 40 amps. And the correct answer is C. When we head to 422.13, we're going to learn that storage type water heaters with a tank that is 120 gallons or less, that they are required to have a 125% multiplier on the known load. This is for branch circuit sizing, branch circuit overcurrent protective device sizing, your breaker or fuse. And this is also for the branch circuit conductor sizing. They must be rated at least 125% of the water heater's nameplate rating. So what you would do is take the known load at the time, multiply it by 1.25, and in this case, it equals 30. Then when we would head over to 240.6a, choose our next standard size breaker, which happens to be a 30. Then depending on what wire we used, we would go to our ampacity table and select our size wire. Now let's take a look at the infograph for today's question. And I want to show you our brand new free electrical repository. When you come here, you're going to see all kinds of absolutely free things that you can use in your teachings, in your methods. One of them is this new table we created for 110.26. Today is today's infograph. You can snap a screenshot of this. You can also just download the picture itself, and you can go out and teach someone else. Or you can just put it in your repository for electrical. These are here absolutely for free for you guys to enjoy and to be able to go out and prosper. I am the Electrical Code Coach, and my bargain is that these videos will add value to you, and you will in turn add value to others. Let's get to it.